All right, guys, just so you know, we are opening another pack of these 2015-16 AHL boxes. So I love opening these things. You got 5 autographs inside of AHL players, and you got stickers and tattoos, so a lot of cool things. You're trying to get a 150 base set of these cards. And so if you want to get one of these hobby boxes, go to NHLcardtrader.com and you can order one today. Or if you want to get any of the autographs I'm about to pull or any other autograph from a lot of different players, again, they're on NHLcardtrader.com. And so let's get to it. All right, we got our first tattoo right here. And then we got our first sticker. So that's what they look like. This is an Upper Deck sticker, the 25th anniversary of Upper Deck. We got Malcolm Subban. So that's great. This card right here is worth it. The entire hobby box right here is worth this card. So we're starting on a good note here. All right, got our second signature right here. Andrew Agnazio. Got a tattoo. All right. So opening hockey cards is kind of therapeutic. I don't know why I love it so much, but I really do. I like to collect full sets of cards. I think that's why I like to buy so many hobby boxes and open them, because I try to collect the full entire sets. And I like to get autographs, so that's why I made the website NHLcardtrader.com, is because, you know, I love what I do and I just want to share what I have with everyone and you know, get this stuff out there. All right, here we go. Got our third signature, Ryan Graves. Ryan Graves from the Hartford Wolfpack. All right, Chicago Wolves. Sticker. This is going to be the last pack I open tonight. All right, got our fourth one here. So all I need to do is get one more. And I got, what do I got here? 3, 4, 8 packs left. And I'm trying to find one signature. So hopefully I find it. We'll pull these and start there. And then hopefully I pull it and then I can save the others. So, I did it. That's awesome. Greg McKegg. Very good. All right, from the Portland Pirates. All right, so very good. I pulled my 5 autographs out of this box and I still had 3, 6, 7 packs left. So if you order anything off the store, $50 or more, I like to throw in a pack or two just depending on what you order, as a thank you for purchasing something from NHL Card Trader. Again, if you want to get one of these boxes, go to NHLCardTrader.com and you can get this box, or you can get any of the signatures that I pulled here today. So thank you so much, guys, and I appreciate you